Hi, my name's Roni Oraha, and this is my napkin and paper assignment. So I'm going to ask the question, what is water scarcity? And that is the lack of availability of water within a region. So we have Earth consisting of 100% of water. What is really in this 100%? And that breaks down to 97% of seawater and 3% of fresh water. So this 3% also breaks down to 87% of water that is in glaciers, and then 13% that is actually drinkable water. So if you look at the total of Earth's water, we could say that it's 0.39% of actual drinkable water within Earth. So let's look at how much water humans consume. Okay. Canadians on average consume 380 liters of water per day. And when we compare that to other places in the world, we have Sao Paulo that imports 94% of their water. That means they're actually using 6% of water within their own region. And then if we look at Syria, we have Syria using 5% of their water within their region and importing 95% of their water. And then we have Cape Town. And this is very significant because Cape Town has declared 0% of their water within their region. So that means they import 100% of their water. And when we compare, and they've declared that every individual is allowed to use 10 liters of water per day. So when we compare this 10 liters of water to the amount of Canadians use per day, we see that Cape Town is only allowed to use 0.026% of their water in comparison to Canadians. And that is a significant difference. We have a solution. And that is the reverse osmosis. So what is a reverse osmosis? And it is basically, it's this filterized stage that seawater is being passed down the membrane by high velocity and pressure. And at the second stage, there's a filterized stage, which is called a semi-permeable membrane. And during this stage, it filterizes the impurity of the seawater and it results into fresh water. Using that solution, there also comes a cost. And the cost is, on average, that we use today, it costs us 31 cents per 400 liters of water. Now, if we use that solution, it's going to cost us 0.31 cents of water per 400 liters, but this is seawater. This is fresh water. Also, the filterized stage will cost us 0.54 cents per 400 liters, which is a total of 0.85 cents per 400 liters in comparison to what we use today. As we've seen there's a problem, a big problem, and that is water. Water is an essential need for humans day to day. And as our water is running out, we need a solution. Cape Town has zero, as we've seen. Syria is losing almost all their water. There's Sao Paulo that's losing all their water. So we need action. And that's fast. And if we don't take action, we're going to lose our water resource. And then there's going to come a time of regret. Thank you for listening, and this is my assignment.